Standing Hotel. What a surprise to find such a marvelous hotel. Simply stunning hotel. This hotel is simply amazing. The conversion from an abbey has been done beautifully and they have kept so many great features. The hotel is simply amazing. Rooms are great and there is so much to see within the hotel itself. If you are looking for a special place to stay, this is it. I have stayed in many hotels all over the world and this is definitely one of the best ever and is completely unique. Good, very good. First time visit. This is a hidden gem. It's a great hotel throughout. Stayed in exec room, very clean and impressive layout, it was perfect. Dined in Sister Charlotte's restaurant, delicious food. Helpful and smiley friendly staff for whom nothing was a fuss. Will definitely be visiting again. Beautiful. Very nice. Stopped the one night B&B. The hotel did not have many guests and was impeccably clean and attractive. I was looking forward to a special breakfast, however the toaster control knob was missing and so took 3 times before brown, had to ask staff for butter which they had to get from 2 floors down, and the cooked breakfast took about an hour to arrive. Told their cook to order? Strange, people behind had wrong eggs etc. on theirs. When it arrived it tasted and looked nice, but does it really need one? HR 35. The staff were nice but didn't seem too bothered about it. Saying that, I would very much like to stay again. Anniversary weekend. Stayed at this fantastic hotel for our wedding anniversary. Arrived on a dark, rainy evening to a warm welcome from the receptionist. All the staff were friendly and professional. Room was fantastic and meal in the restaurant on Saturday evening was superb. Even gave us a glass of complimentary Prosecco each to celebrate our anniversary, which was a pleasant surprise. The building itself is totally unique and had great fun exploring. Great stay, didn't want to leave. Fully recommended. Lovely and tranquil break. The Abbey was a great place to stay for a short break with my boyfriend. Quiet and relaxing.